Hi guys, this is my Mima.
Hi guys, this is Arella. For today's video, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Pero look at my eyes, so I'm sleepy na talaga. Ito yung question ha. If you could ask one question to anyone in this world, living or dead, who would it be and what would you ask? Kahit pwede na yung namatay na or pwede yung buhay pa. Sino?
Jesus.
Jesus, you want ask question. Oh, and what will you ask Jesus?
I have two decisions eh.
Oh, who's the other one? Medyo impossible muna kasi si Jesus.
Joseph.
Si Joseph, who's Joseph?
The friend of Jesus.
Oh, no, Joseph is the father of Jesus.
Ay, yes. No, Jesus.
Of Jesus nga. Oh, why do you want to talk to them? What will you ask them?
I look greedy.
Ano?
I look greedy.
You look greedy? Why? Why did you say that?
I like money.
Ano?
I will say to them, please give everyone money and food and house, even those beggars.
You will tell them that.
Sana yung sinabi ko, I have money, I want ice cream today.
Babo mo naman. We can buy ice cream naman eh. Siyempre, you will ask something that is very impossible to happen.
Sinabi ko
Ice cream, we can buy ice cream eh.
Ayaw nga, we can buy it pala. We have money.
Oh, syempre. Actually, pag nakausap mo sila, hindi ka manghihingi sa kanila. May there's something you want that you will ask them, not ask from them. So, ano yung gusto mong itanong sa kanila kung makakausap mo sila? Dali.
Ito. Ito.
Dali na.
I want to have peace in the world, no beggars.
No beggars, no fight. Naman yon. Pero that's a request. That's a request to them. It's not a question. What I'm asking is, what will be your question to them? What you gonna ask them?
What you gonna ask them? I want money.
There's something that you want to know. Kaya nga you're asking them.
What is 2 billion plus infinity? Infinity. Subtract them to. Wait. 25 plus 2 million minus 250
Ano ba yan? Nag-mathematics na tayo.
division.
Pag-mathematics mo sila Jesus tsaka si Joseph.
Oh, sige, marunong sila. Gusto mo mape?
Siyempre.
Gusto mo mape?
Sige, wala ka pang maisip na itatanong.
Meron ako
sa kanya.
naisip.
Sige,
Mathematics.
I done that question again. You have to think something very important
Okay.
to a person and what do you want to ask them. I'll ask that question to you again, okay? I'm very tired. Yan. So, thank you for watching. Pero okay naman yung
I want
yung
mathematics.
parang prayer mo sa kanila or your request to them. Okay naman yun. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Bye, God bless.
Bye.